FLYSAK Lubrication Technology, Guangdong Company Limited, is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. FLYSAK plant construction area is nearly 20,000 square meters, with base oil storage capacity of nearly 10,000 tons, lubricating oil design annual capacity of more than 60,000 tons. The factory is equipped with automatic batching and blending system, high-speed filling production line, and so on. It has also built a complete R&D testing laboratory, equipped with high-end inspection, analysis, and test instruments, and have a strong team of engineers. Stable resources supply, standardized modern production and operation system, quality control in line with various standards. Our company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and other certifications, and won this China-famous brand, National Certification Safety Products, Quality, Service, Integrity AAA Enterprise, and a number of honorary titles. After more than 20 years of development, FLYSAK Oil has developed 8 categories of more than 400 products that perfectly fit the world market, covering a full range of products such as gasoline engine oil, diesel engine oil, transmission oil, motorcycle oil, antifreeze, industrial oil, engineering machinery oil, and automotive auxiliary oil. FLYSAK team takes focusing customer as our purpose of service to provide operation, team assistance, oil solutions of the whole service model, achieve mutually and develop together. Through years of hard work in China and many regions around the world, FLYSAK has built an extensive sales network and OEM user base. We actively participate in all kinds of domestic and international automobile competitions, and our excellent product performance has been well verified. In the future days, FLYSAK will be committed to better serve global partners and OEM customers, adhere to innovation, go towards the world.